Hello, Source655. How's it going? Hello? You there? Hello? Talk to the inman. Are you gone? Are you gone? Whatever. Money. I got so much money, you guys. I'm filthy sick and rich. Oh my gosh, I just upgraded everything. Talk to the enemy. Yeah, this is funny. I don't know what that was. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what I was playing this game called Minecraft World Tycoon. Just play it. It's fun. I've only just started playing, but it's fun. Yeah. What? You didn't see anything. But yeah, bye. I guess this counts as a Roblox review. Bye.